Components: 1. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, 2. Vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and potassium iodide. Reaction: add a small amount of potassium iodide to the hydrogen peroxide. Test tube. Observe the color change and the formation of bubbles. Add a few drops of dish soap and food coloring to the hydrogen peroxide and potassium iodide mixture. Stir with the glass stirring rod and observe the colorful foam produced. Observation and measurement, using tools like thermometer, pipette, and measuring spoons helps you practice precise measurement and observation skills, which are crucial in scientific experiments.